Hello, lovelies. So, um, message. Don't doubt your intuition. I did that so much before I learned to love myself. And this was, oh my God, when I was little, teens, 20s, basically until like 9 months ago. It took me so long. And it was certain things, but when it came to like relationships, other people is more where I needed to trust my intuition and I didn't. Listening to what my intuition was telling me about what type of person they were or what they may do. And you can learn a lot by listening. People will tell you a lot. It's actually pretty funny. If you just go somewhere and you start like listening to people, like go to a park, oh my God. Well, I was going to say go to Walmart, but there's a lot going on there. And just listen to people. You can really read into what type of person they are by just being a fly on the wall. And them not really, by them not saying anything to you, period. See, I don't have the gift of gab, even though it may seem so on here. I am not the type of person that will just go up to you and start talking. I am very much the listener of my friends, family, at work. Like when we don't have any customers in work and I'm like listening to like the kids or whatever's going on. I find out a lot about people and how they think and how they react to certain situations. So I know how they would be in other, similar situations, And the reason I am posting this is because I've been doing like readings for the past week. Just when I do readings for myself, like for me. And I know those readings, not that they're not for me, but that something is fucking around. Something is trying to get me to not believe in my journey, my spirituality, my love life. I just recently noticed it. Because all my readings before that had been phenomenal. Like, change is coming, karma's coming, harvest is coming in, like, and I'm still getting those. Okay. But I get stuff brought up that I've already dealt with. Many times over. And it's like energetically cut cords to certain things. So, but they do say new level, new doubles. So, just beware and listen to your gut and your heart. Don't make any rash decisions. Think about different perspectives. Because It might just be the old ones trying to creep their way back in. But it's so funny because we're so far beyond, where they're at right now. I'm just like, bro, stop wasting my time. And that's just how I feel right now. um, you're gonna have to come, I don't know, with more gusto or something because I've had this lesson. And for some reason the lesson keeps repeating. Um, so I will take the lesson. Thank you. I love myself very much. You love yourself very much. You better. Um, and we know where we're going. We know where we're headed. We know where our path is and what we want and what we're headed towards. So when you notice those little things creeping up, just be aware. Thanks for the lesson. Bye. I don't know why you're still here. I ask God, my guardian angels, to bring up the truth. I want to know the whole truth, nothing but the truth. So bring me the truth so that I may evaluate it, make any changes that I need to in my emotions, in my mental state. If there's anything I can do to help, can I bring any love, positive energy? But I know who I am today, and I hope that you do too. And I know the base of who I am. But I know that more healing will lead to more discovery. And it's all good discovery. Because even if it's, a little lackluster, or maybe something that we have to look at, again, or in a different perspective or deeper, we can do it, and it's easy because it's something that we've already done. So always listen to your gut. If you are one of those people, keep up boundaries with people that you need to keep boundaries with. You know who they are clearly. And enjoy where you're headed, because you deserve, the good life. We all do. If we're working towards positive things in our life, then we deserve it. If we're acting positive, then we deserve it. The good vibe gang. You shine your light on others, and light will be shown back at you. Okay? And it's going to be God's light, and He's going to pour into your ass, and it's going to be fucking awesome. I love you. Have a wonderful night. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.